step up to the next power range, which is going to be 300. Now, this guy is a little bit bigger, but what's really convenient about this Godox AD300 Pro is that it's about the same size, if not just slightly smaller, than a 70 to 200 lens. They specifically designed it so that you could fit it in a bag where you might fit a 70 to 200, which is really, really cool. And in addition to that, one of the other cool things about it is that it takes the exact same battery as the AD200 Pro. So if you have an AD200 and you've got a set of AD300s, they'll all take the same battery, which is quite cool. The other great thing about this is, again, you're going to get those anti-lock twist on the bottom there. It uses the exact same swivel as the AD100 Pro and the AD200 Pro, so you won't have any swiveling problems there. The other really nice thing about the AD300 Pro is that this is going to be fully a bare bulb flash. You can take the reflector off and use it as a bare bulb flash as is. It has an LED modeling light. And the unique thing about this modeling light over, say, I guess his battery's dying. The modeling light on the AD300 Pro compared to the other modeling lights is that this one is bicolor. So you can actually set a color temperature to the LED modeling light on this unit and use it as a small one-person LED continuous light setup. So this could technically function as two lights for you, a continuous LED and a small powered strobe for your home studio or on location. This is a great little unit. You know, if you shoot a lot during sunsets for portraits, this will give you that nice extra little kiss of light that you'll need at the end of the day to kind of have that fill light and get nice, clean, crisp photos. So AD300 Pro, again, on the back, you're going to have nice, clear, concise controls. Everything, obviously, can be controlled from the Godox X Pro trigger, just as it can be controlled with the speed lights, the AD100, the AD200, and the 200 Pro. This X Pro trigger is going to be found invaluable once you discover how many flash units you can actually use with it. In fact, if you wanted to integrate all the flash units into one shoot, you could use this trigger to control speed lights, lights like this, and lights that I'm going to show you here in just a second. So once we've gotten to the 300, we're going to start stepping up to bigger and bigger watt-second power. So this is now 300 watt-seconds